Hello everyone, these cute little sparrows is what I've done in color pencils today. Would you like to see how they were done? Come on then, stay with me till the end and I'll be telling you exactly how they are done in a step-by-step way. This time I'm using a snow white paper and these color pencils which I have used in my last videos also. They are inexpensive ones. You are of course free to use any brand of your choice. I have included the reference images of the two sparrows and I am drawing the outlines with the help of a 2B graphite pencil. As always, we'll need to take care of the proportions of the body parts of the two sparrows in terms of the head and the main body and the tail and the beaks, the eyes and everything. At this outline stage, we will be drawing of course only the outer basic shapes. We need not draw the entire details in terms of the feathers. Each and every feather need not be drawn. That can be taken care of while we do the coloring later on. Only the placements of the eye, the beak, the head and the main body, the legs, these need to be taken care of while doing the outline. And now I am beginning with the coloring, for which I am using this 24 assorted color set that I have, and with the reference from the image that we have here, I am taking sort of corresponding colors from that 24 color set. Basically for the male sparrow here, we have some grays, light grays and dark grays and a little bit of black for the head, and browns also, which have light and dark browns. There is sort of a burnt sienna and a dark brown for the left hand side, and some grays, dark grays and light grays and black on the forehead of the sparrow and underneath the beak. And with quick small strokes of the pencil I am applying those colors. Now I am using a snow white paper here, like I mentioned in the beginning, and this is a sort of a hot pressed paper and therefore it is smooth. It doesn't have a texture, it doesn't have a tooth like we have for the cartridge paper. This is a very smooth surface and this is very conducive, I thought, for the depiction of feathers of the birds, because it gives a very smooth finish, which is what we want to achieve here. And yet we are not going to do any blending, and because of the smooth texture of the paper itself, mostly the blending is not going to be necessary at all, because it is as it is going to give us a very smooth finish because of the type of paper that we are using. Also, the strokes of the pencils we will keep in the direction of the feathers so as to give it a realistic look. Also, as always, we will keep an eye on the direction of the light source. In this case, it seems to be from the left hand side, and so the right hand sides of the bird will be in dark shades and the left hand sides will be in light tones. Also, we'll be working in layers, so as in how we go along, we will add more and more details with each subsequent layer. Also, while working in the color pencils, we will need to keep control over the pressure of the hand and pressure over the pencils each time, because the softer the pressure that we apply, we will get softer shades, and harder the pressure we apply, we will get darker shades. So accordingly, we will try to maintain the pressure. For the brown portion of the male sparrow, I have used light and dark brown and also a little bit of a dash of red so as to bring out the color and add more interest to it. And so in this manner, let us proceed and complete the coloring work of the male sparrow. And now for the female sparrow, I'm using mostly yellow ochre, a little bit of light and dark brown, and a little bit of black. Now the method of rendering for the female sparrow will be the same as we did for the male sparrow. The only difference will be in the colors that we are using. Now because of the angle of the female sparrow here, we are seeing more details in the wings portion of the sparrow compared to the male sparrow. The female sparrow is showing more intricate detail and design, and that is what we will need to take care of by the use of various shades of browns and yellow ochre and black that we have. While doing this, we will of course take care of the direction of the strokes that we are applying so as to give it a more authentic look. The variations that you see in the feathers of the wings of the female sparrow seem to be very overwhelming, but if you keep an eye on the reference image and simply follow the pattern, it will not be so difficult at all. And so in this way, let us proceed to work on the female sparrow figure. And so that's it. Our sparrows in color pencils are done. How did you like them? Do comment and let me know. If you liked the video, do subscribe to the channel, give it a like, comment in the comment section and do share it with your friends. Do press the bell icon to get notifications for future videos. Also click on the end screens displayed above to watch other videos on similar topics. See you in the next video.